Okay, it's our first bear. He's really close. He's sniffing. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I heard him. Oh, he did the garbage can. I don't know if that's a cub. Wow. He's looking happy. And as you can see, the garbage can, it shakes that. Wow. First bear. I don't know if that's a cub. He's still eating. Wow. You know? Let's see if he gets out of there. Hey, what are you doing? Hey! There he goes, see? Get out of there! Let's see if he actually runs. Yeah, he does. Get out of here! Get! Yeah, he takes off. Alright, so that's cool. Get in there, Jake. Yeah, he went into the garbage. And, you know, I have it locked up, you know. Wow. I don't know, this will make it on YouTube today. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday.